So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Bluey Ultimate Lights and Sounds Playhouse with 2 posable figures and accessories. Guys, this is what you guys are looking at right here. And if you guys recognize this house, this is literally the exact replica of the house in the Bluey series. Okay, so if you guys are lovers of Bluey and just the series as a whole, all the fun characters, you guys are going to absolutely love this set. If your kids are obsessed with Bluey, which mine are, they're going to absolutely love this set. We collect any and all Bluey toys, okay? And this is by far one of their absolute favorites. So first you should know that this is a battery operated toy, so you're going to need 3 AAA batteries, okay? Secondly, the additional thing that you get to really experience with this, besides the fact that you're going to be able to recreate many of the scenes that are in the Bluey series along with the characters that are included, okay? But you're also going to be able to experience over 50 lights and sounds from the series. So music and just voices and all of the fun things that make this toy extra special. So browsing around the house, as you guys can see, there are so many fun accessories that you get with the house, in addition to the fact that you also get these 3 characters right here. And I'll show you guys what that platform is that they are standing on here in just a second, okay? And you guys, everything literally looks just like the series. Some fun little features, in addition to the bells and whistles of the sounds and all of that I'll show you here, is the fact that even on the stove, the little details like being able to open the stove right here, which I'm doing it one-handed, my apologies. You can do that. You can open up the cabinets that are in the kitchen. You can actually open up the toilet that's in the bathroom. So you've got all these fun features inside the house too. So I'm going to have my assistant show you guys how the lights and sounds work. If you could press the octopus, please.
Oh, lovely. That's my hotel. Yeah, I'd like a room, please.
See, all the sounds that you're familiar with from the series. Could you press it again, sir?
Oh, biscuits.
Could you press it again, sir?
Can you play games with us?
There you go. So it's just to give you guys an idea. So my second assistant is going to actually help us access the music, okay, and the lights. So if you could go ahead and make the switch over here. You'll switch to the top, because there is a switch right over here. So you'll flip the switch up, and then you'll be able to access the music, and as you guys can see, the lights. And as you guys can see, there's that switch right there. Maestro, please. So they have a fun platform where you can just have them dance to the music that's featured. There we go. So it's just a fun additional bonus with this toy. All in all, guys, this is such a super fun toy for your kiddos and such a fun way to get some really good pretend play in. This is seriously going to allow for hours of fun pretend play, having fun with the characters, and imagine having all the characters from the Bluey series, just being able to play with them in the house and using all the fun bells and whistles, like the sounds and the music, to just take the pretend play to another level, okay? So just wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope this helps in making your decision.